Good day. In this video we will program 2 new keys as all keys are lost. Start by switching the ignition on. Tap on Ammo and accept. Choose Ford. Automatic selection. Tap Read. Tap OK. Blade key. Tap Yes. Control unit. Immobilizer. Immobilizer remote control learning. Erase keys. All keys lost. Tap Yes. Tap OK. Security access now in progress, please be patient. Tap Yes. The instrument cluster will show errors when reading, just ignore this as it is not real errors. Tap OK. Tap OK. You have to program 2 keys before the car will start. Tap OK. Tap OK. Turn ignition off. Tap OK. Insert first keys and turn ignition on for 3 seconds, then remove and tap OK. Insert second key for 3 seconds, then remove and tap OK. Now test all keys. Please like and subscribe for future video.